Discuss about the energy expression for the particle in a 3D box and also the degeneracy. Energy expression for the particle in a 3D box is E equals to nx square h square by 8m lx square plus ny square h square by 8m ly square plus nz square h square by 8m lz square, where nx, ny and nz are the quantum numbers and lx, ly and lz are the length of the box along x-axis, y-axis and z-axis. If we consider Lx equals to Ly equals to Lz equals to L, then the above equation is converted to equals to nx square h square by 8m L square plus ny square h square by 8m L square plus nz square h square by 8m L square. That means by putting Lx, Ly and Lz equals to L, we get this expression for 3D box. Now if we common h square by 8m L square from all these three terms, we get nx square plus ny square plus nz square into h square by 8m L square. Then three cases will arise. First one case, if nx equals to ny equals to nz, the system is non-degenerate. What is degenerate? See, that means whenever we get the same energy values for different states, these states are called degenerate state. Whenever nx equals to ny equals to nz, the system is non-degenerate. That means if we put the same value for nx, ny and nz, suppose it is 1, 1, 1 or 2, 2, 2, we cannot rearrange this 1, 1, 1 in different ways. There is only one possible way to arrange them, that is 1, 1, 1, as all three quantum numbers are equal. In case of 2, nx equals to ny not equals to nz. That means any two quantum numbers are equal but third one is different. Then in this case, as per example, suppose nx equals to 1, ny equals to 2 and ny and nx as equal 1, 1 and nz it is 2. Then we get the value, we can arrange them in such a way that 1, 1, 2, or that means possible orientations are 1, 1, 2 or 1, 2, 1 or 2, 1, 1. That means there are three possible ways to orient them. That means degree of degeneracy is 3. Degree of degeneracy is 3. Degree of degeneracy is 3. That means if we calculate the energy value for E112, let's put E112 in this equation. where nx equals to 1, ny equals to 1 and nz equals to 2. Then the energy value is nx equals to 1 square plus ny equals to 1 square plus nz equals to 2 square. In this equation, we are putting this value h square by 8ml square. Then the energy is 6h square by 8ml square. If we calculate for this orientation, that means E1 to 1, that means the value of nx is 1 and value of ny is 2 and nz is 1. Then the energy we get 6h square by 8ml square. In this case E211, we get the energy is 2 square, 1 square and 1 square, h square by 8ml square, that is 6h square. That means there are 3 possible ways to get the same energy values for the different state E112, E121 and E211. That means degree of degeneracy is 3. In third case, when nx not equals to ny not equals to nz, we get degree of degeneracy is 3. Degree of degeneracy is 6. Let's check the values for the energy values for this degree of degeneracy 6, and how we can get the degree of degeneracy is 6. Suppose as I said, nx not equals to ny not equals to nz, then let's check. Suppose value of nx is 1, value of ny is 2 and the value of nz is 3. Then the possible orientations are or arrangements are 1, 2, 3, 2, 1, 3, 3, 1, 2, 3, 2, 1 and 2, 3, 1 and also 1, 3, 2. That means there are 6 possible ways to arrange the quantum numbers. And if we check the value for the energy, we get the same value for E123, E213 and all these orientations. By putting these numbers in this equation, we get the same values for E123, E213 equals to E312, E321. Anyone can check this, and it is better to understand by checking this as the degree of degeneracy, how the degree of degeneracy is 6. Suppose in the examination we have given energy value. Suppose we have given a 3D box and its energy equals to 14h square by 8ml square, and now we have to calculate the degeneracy, or we have been asked to calculate the degree of degeneracy. What is degree of degeneracy? We have asked. Then what first we have to do, we have to find out the quantum numbers for this nx, ny and nz. That means the possible ways that we get nx square plus ny square plus nz square is 14. If we put the value of nx 3 and ny 2 and nz 1, we get the number 14. 3 square plus 2 square plus 1 square, we get 14. That's 9 plus 4 plus 1 is 14. That means nx, ny and nz have the values 3 to 1. As I said earlier that when nx not equal to ny and not equals to nz, if we memorize that degree of degeneracy is 6, we can easily say as the nx not equal to ny and not equals to nz, that means different values for different values of nx, ny and nz, degree of degeneracy is 6. We can easily calculate by memorizing just these 3 cases. Whenever we get the energy values, if first we have to check the energy values. First we have to check the energy values. When h square 8ml square is a common portion, if we compare both this equation, we get h square 8ml square, that is common portion, and this term is comparable with this term. That means the 14 equals to nx square, ny square and nz square. Addition of these 3 quantum numbers square, we get 14, and we have to put such numbers such that we get the value 14. And if we saw that nx equals to nx not equals to ny not equals to nz, then the degree of degeneracy is 6. Whenever we found that this case will arise nx equals to ny but not equals to nz, then we can easily say the degree of degeneracy is 3. There is no scope for confusion. Whenever we saw nx equals to ny or nz not equals to nz, that means the system is non-degenerate.